So, who can lead us a prayer? Okay. Amen. Thank you for leading us a prayer. Good morning, class. I am your teacher in this subject. My name is Mystica Nawali Pedro. So, before we start our lesson, we will check first your attendance. Who is not present for today? Very good. Your perfect attendance for today. So before we start, I have a rules for you to follow. First rule is be respectful to each other. Second rule is be kind. Third rule is concentrate. Fourth rule is listen to me as your teacher. And number 5 is put your hand up if you would like to speak. Okay? I have a mystery box here. You are going to choose one representative that is good in drawing for you to come in front, or for your one representative come in front and pick one in this mystery box. Okay, so upon my signal, the one representative draw what you have seen in the mystery box in this board or in front. Okay. Okay, so I have 5 questions that you are going to answer. Number 1 question is, what is the source of energy of the flashlight? Okay. Number 2 question is, what energy is present in the batteries of the flashlight? Number 3, you are going to turn on the flashlight. What energy is shown when the flashlight is turned on? Number 4 question is, how many energies were displayed by the flashlight? And number 5 is, which comes first, light energy or chemical energy? That was the 5 questions you are going to answer. Pass it your answer in front, okay? Class, have you seen an electric bulb? Okay. If you switch, what can you see? Very good. What is an example of light? Yes, it is an electric bulb. When you touch the electric bulb, what can you feel? Very good. Another, if you play a music, what can you hear? Yes, it is a sound. And what is an example of music? Sound, I mean. Yes, it's a music. What is an electric bulb? Yes, it is an example of electricity. Okay, so class, our topic for today is all about energy transformation. Anyone from the class who can give their opinion about energy transformation? Yes, energy transformation, known as energy conversion, is the process of changing from one form to another. Okay, the another definition is, in physics, the one of the subject, energy is a quantity that provides the capacity to perform work or provides heat. The conservation of energy principle states that energy can neither be destroyed nor created. Instead, energy just transforms from one form to another. So, what exactly is energy transformation? Well, as you might guess, energy transformation is defined as the process of changing energy from one form to another. There are so many different kinds of energy that can transfer from one form to another form. There is energy from chemical reaction called chemical energy, energy from thermal process called heat energy, and energy from charged particles called electrical energy. The process of fission, which is splitting atoms, and fusions, which is combining atoms, give us another type of energy called nuclear energy. And finally, the energy of motion, kinetic energy, and the energy associated with position, potential energy, are collectively called mechanical energy. For you, student, what another definition of energy? One type of energy can change into another type of energy. Yes, very good. Energy transformation means the changing of energy from one type to another. The another definition is the heat energy may be converted into kinetic energy in a gas turbine and finally into electrical energy by a generator. The electrical energy may subsequently be converted into light, sound, or kinetic energy in our home through various household appliances. What is your own idea about sound? Sound, I mean. Yes, very good. A sound is a mechanical disturbance from a state of equilibrium that propagates through an elastic material medium. Another definition is a purely subjective definition of a sound is also possible as that which is perceived by the ear, but such as definition is not particularly illuminating and is unduly restrictive, for it's useful to speak of sound that cannot be heard by the human ear, such as those that are produced by dog whistle or by sonar equipment. Another is heat. What is your own idea also about heat? Anyone from the class? Yes, very good. Energy that is transferred from one body to another as the result of differences in temperature. That is energy. And another is if two bodies at different temperature are brought together, energy is transferred. Example, heat flows from the hotter body to the colder. Okay? Other is the light. Okay. What is your opinion about light? Okay. Yes, light commonly refers to electromagnetic radiation that can be detected by the human eye. Or light or visible light can also be described in terms of a stream of protons, massless packet of energy, each traveling with wave-like properties of the speed of light. And the last is the electricity. So, how about the electricity class? What is your own idea or opinion? Yes, electricity is the flow of electrical power or charge, or it is a secondary energy source, which means that we get it from the conversion of other sources of energy like coal, natural gas, oil, nuclear power, and other natural sources which are called primary sources. Okay, so did you understand our topic or our lesson, class? If you understand our topic, I will going to ask you a question. Number one question is, how can we use heat light, sound, and electricity. Another question is, are you using those at home? Okay. For you to more understand the following of our topic is, you are going to define the following, like number one, kinetic energy, heat, sound, light, and electricity. Okay, so if you finish define the given on you, you are going to have an assessment for me to know if you understand our topic for today. I will read and you are going to choose and write the letter of the correct answer in your 1/4 sheet of pad paper. Number one question. What is energy transformation? Letter A. When an energy has been created. Letter B. When an energy has been destroyed. Letter C. Changes a form to another form of energy. Letter D. Changes a form with the same form of energy. Number two question. From electrical energy, this energy takes place in the television except A. Chemical, B. Heat, C. Light, and letter D. Sound. Number three question. You have noticed that the flashlight lighted after putting the battery and switching it on. Which energy transformation occurs? Letter A. Chemical to light. Letter B. Chemical to heat. Letter C. Chemical to sound. And letter D. Chemical to mechanical. Okay, so number four question. How is energy changed when you pluck the strings of guitars? Letter A. Light to heat energy. B. Chemical to sound energy. C. Mechanical to sound energy. And letter D. Radiant to mechanical energy. Last questions or number five is, what is energy needed to be transformed into another form? Letter A. For animals to multiply. Letter B. To produce more equipment. Or letter C. So that plants and animals survive. And letter D. It is to be changed into usable form. Okay. Answer that within 5 minutes. I will giving you 5 minutes to answer on that. Okay, so for your assignment, I will be going to read in front and you are going to answer at home. Number one question for your assignment is, list down some devices or appliances at home and describe the transformation or change of energy from one form to another. You may draw or paste pictures in a short bond paper. Okay? I repeat. List down some devices or appliances at home and describe the transformation or change of energy from one form to another. You may draw or paste pictures in a short bond paper. Number two question is, as a student, how can you help in minimizing electrical energy consumption in your own house? I repeat, as a student, how can you help in minimizing electrical energy consumption in your own house? Okay, if you finish, write it in your own. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your understanding and see you next meeting. God bless you all.